Looking for the best wire trackers? In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best wire trackers that deliver high accuracy, reliability, and ease of use for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Let's dive in. Item number 5. The NOYAFA Network Cable Tester is a versatile tool designed for professionals. It supports Cat5, Cat6 cables and can detect open circuits, shorts, and split pairs. Key features include 2 scan modes, accurate cable length measurement, 2.5 meter, 200 meters, PoE testing, and optical power meter functionality. It also has a red light pen, NCV, lighting, and headphone functions, making it perfect for various environments. With a rechargeable 3.7 volts lithium battery, this tester ensures long-lasting, efficient performance for network maintenance and troubleshooting. Item number 4. The MASTFUYI FY8178 is a multifunctional handheld cable testing tool designed for professionals in telecommunications, wiring, and network maintenance. It features line-finding functions for underground metal cables, RJ11, RJ45, and BNC interfaces. With digital and analog modes, it locates wires buried in walls or underground up to 2 meters deep. The tool offers continuous wire detection, low voltage prompts, and adjustable signal strength. Powered by a 3.7 volts lithium battery, it ensures efficient and accurate cable tracing, making it a reliable tool for various applications. Item number 3. The NOYAFA NF8209S Network Cable Tester offers advanced digital signal technology for accurate and interference-free testing. It supports Cat5 and Cat6 cables, with features like line-to-line testing, length measurement, 2.5 to 600 meters, PoE testing, and crimping tests. The tool also includes line hunting modes, port flashing, and voltage detection, DC 5 to 60 volts. Its 2.8-inch LCD screen, low battery reminder, and adjustable sensitivity make it ideal for network maintenance and troubleshooting. Powered by a 3.7 volts lithium battery, it ensures reliable, efficient performance. Item number 2. The NOYAFA NF825TMR Underground Cable Locator is a versatile tool for detecting cables, electrical lines, and pipelines. It features multiple modes, including strong current hunting, network cable hunting, and circuit breaker detection. The tool offers an NCV test for live wire detection, a socket test function, and an adjustable sensitivity receiver. With a rechargeable 7.4 volts lithium battery, built-in flashlight, and low battery reminder, it ensures efficient operation in various environments. Ideal for professionals, it provides reliable and accurate cable detection. Item number 1. The NOYAFA NF8601S is a comprehensive network cable tester offering multiple advanced features. It uses TDR technology to measure the length of Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7 coaxial and telephone cables. The device also supports wire mapping, PoE detection, and ping tests for network performance. With a voltage detector, 90 volt, and a cable hunting function, it simplifies troubleshooting. The tool has 2 scan modes, a 2.8-inch color LCD, and a 3.7 volts lithium battery for efficient operation, along with TF card data export. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel